Let's start 6 days challenge. Day 1 green and pink combo. Day 2 blue, pink and green combo. A circle with blue, flowers with pink. You can use any color you want. Leaf with green. Day 3 ice and leaf or black when you don't have any color. It's for you. Little stars. Watch till end. Day for pink and yellow. Little cute hearts with pink color. Stars and circles with yellow. Subscribe if you like TH video and watch till end. Day 5 with purple and pink combo. I don't know why purple is different in reality than camera. Day 6 purple, blue and pink combo. Galaxy style wreath design. And tada, it's ready. Comment your favorite one. Cheap poster colors part 1. Wait for part 2. Cheap poster colors part 2. Let's try them all one by one. Watch till in then tell me which one is your favorite color. If you are interested in art, then subscribe for more fun, easy, and satisfying art videos. Comment your favorite tackler number.